Here is a history of Uruguay. Uruguay is a small country located in South America, bordered by Argentina and Brazil. It has population of around 3.5 million people. The indigenous people of Uruguay were the Charwa and Guarani tribes. The first European explorer to reach the region was the Spanish explorer Juan Diaz de Solis in 1516.
Uruguay geography is diverse and includes coastal areas, rolling plains, and low hills. It's bordered by Argentina to the west, Brazil to the north and northeast, and the Atlantic Ocean to the southeast. The country is relatively small, covering an area of about 176,000 square kilometers. The landscape is primarily characterized by the fertile plains known as the Pampas, which are ideal for agriculture and livestock farming. The Uruguay River forms part of the western border, while the Rio de Plata estuary defines the southern border. Uruguay has a temperate climate with mild winters and warm summers. Its location in the southern hemisphere means its seasons are opposite to those in the northern hemisphere. Montevideo, the capital and largest city, is located on country's southern coast and serves as a major cultural, economic, and political hub. Other notable cities include Salto, Paysandú, and Ciudad de la Costa. Overall, Uruguay's geography plays a significant role in shaping its economy, culture, and way of life. Uruguay coastal plain on the Atlantic Ocean is broken by shallow lagoons as well as string of beaches. The beaches found in Uruguay are often considered some of the best in South America, and each provides its own unique identity.
Samahan niyo ako at tutuklasin natin ang bansang Uruguay. Unang-unang tutuklasin natin ang culture nila o ang kultura. Mayaman ang bansa nila o malakas ang impluwensya dahil kilalang kailangan ng bansa dahil sa musika. Tulad ng tango at kandobe. Pati na rin ang tradisyon nila sa pagdidiriwang ng karnaval. Malaki rin ang papel ng football sa kanilang kultura, kung saan maraming tao nagpapakahirap para sa kanilang paboritong kupunan. Bukod dito, mahalaga din sa kanila yung singing. Nabanggit nga naman natin dito yung musika nila katulad ng tango at kandobe. Mahalaga sa kanila ang musika. Para sa kanila, inspirasyon nila o pagsama-sama ng mga tao. Dahil nabuong kanila ang tradisyon, hindi na nila maiwasan na mawala sa kanila yung nakasanayan nila na mayroon silang mga palabas katulad ng karnibal. Kaya habang tumatagal ang panahon, mas pinapalawak pa nila o pinapasaya nila ang kanilang mga kultura o mga tradisyon.
Uruguay is a popular tourism destination known for its beautiful beaches, Montevideo, Colonia del Sacramento, inland attractions, guacho culture, cuisine and wine, outdoor activities.